I've been going through some old boxes and catching up on some things that I should have been doing, and one of them is desoldering some parts from old boards. This is from probably the late 60s, early 70s, and there were 2 potentiometers on there I wanted. Most of the rest of the parts are so obsolete that, yeah, it's not worth it. It's kind of amusing that this capacitor, or these capacitors, don't have the little cross hatches on them. Yeah, so they're that old. But just to remove these 2 potentiometers, well, this is a piece of solder wick, and as you can see, it's all silvery. And it is 11.5 inches long, or 29 centimeters. Yeah, just to remove the solder from here and here, and as you can see, I didn't even have to remove most of it from there. So yeah, circuit board design and construction costs have drastically decreased since those times when, I mean, they just literally hand soldered and just poured solder onto these things. Okay, that was it. Just kind of something, like I said, might amuse old hands of soldering and desoldering.